Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MetaMask Chrome extension. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Search for MetaMask and click Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation, and then pin the MetaMask icon to your browser toolbar. This makes it easily accessible for all your future decentralized application interactions. It's a quick process, taking less than 1 minute to complete. Next, you will set up your wallet. You can either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using a secret recovery phrase. If creating new, MetaMask will generate a unique 12-word secret recovery phrase. Write this down and store it in a very safe, offline location. Never share it. Finally, create a strong password for daily access to your wallet within the browser. Now, let's fund your MetaMask wallet. Click the MetaMask icon to open it and locate your public wallet address, which typically starts with 0x. Copy this address. Then, go to your preferred cryptocurrency exchange and initiate a withdrawal to this copied address. Always double-check the address before sending. Consider sending a small test amount, perhaps $5 or $10, first to ensure everything works correctly. Finally, you are ready to interact with decentralized applications, or dApps. When you visit a dApp, look for a Connect Wallet button and select MetaMask. The extension will prompt you to confirm the connection. For any transactions, MetaMask will pop up, displaying all the details. Always review the gas fees and the amount before clicking Confirm to approve the transaction. This ensures secure and informed interactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.